Hello everyone, welcome back to ARMS online classes. I am Mansoor Ahmed, your English facilitator. Students, in previous lecture we have talked about narration. Today I have brought a new topic of narration through interrogative sentences. It has two kinds. One is narration which is begun from a helping verb and the second one is a WH verb. Okay students, let's start. Our first sentence is the teacher said to me, have you completed your homework? The teacher said to me, this part is called, as you know, reporting verb, and the part which contained in inverted commas is called RS, means reported speech. Okay, let's transform it. Subject will no change of reporting verb. The teacher said to will become asked, because the tense of reporting verb is a past tense and the narration will also become past. Okay, said to change into asked and object will also remain no change. Okay students, our next task is connectivity. Connective, this sentence is began from helping verb have. Okay, and it is an interrogative sentence. If our RS sentence is interrogative and begin with helping verb, then connective will be if. Okay, then the sentence should SVO pattern. Sentence should be SVO pattern. Then our subject is you and you is second person. Second person will be changed according to object of reporting verb. And I have object me, and the part of me is I, my, me. Then the subjective mode of me is I. Then you will change into I. Okay students, the second one is has or have. Has or have. I have is a helping verb. It will be changed into had. And third form, no change, completed. Here again, your is the part of you, your, you. Then the pair will become my, because your will change according object. Object is me and the possessive mode of me is my. Your will change into my and homework as it is full stop. Thus, our first sentence has been completed. Okay, students, the next sentence is subject of reporting verb is Sandeep said will be changed into asked in interrogative sentence. Okay, it is no matter if said to or said, both will be changed into asked and object will remain no change. Okay student, next connective. Connective, here I have WH word when. Then the connective also become when. And next one, SVO pattern will be followed. SVO pattern, here I have subject he is a third person will be no change. Okay students, then he Again, verb I have will become would, live, for, seeker. No change. Full stop. Okay, students, our second sentence has been completed. The further our task is the third sentence. She asked him. Okay, student. Again, it is WH word sentence. WH word will become connective, which, and also which thing. Okay, students, because which will take a noun within it. Then our SVO pattern, I have you as a subject, it will change according to him. The subject of him is he. He, his, him. You will become he. Okay, student. Now I have do. Present simple. It will be become turned into past simple. Okay, students. The above sentence is present simple as a affirmative sentence. Affirmative sentence, and past, the sentence of past will also become affirmative, and affirmative sentence of past simple do not take any helping verb. It will be changed into second form of the verb. Then I will remove do, and want will become wanted, the second form of the verb. Okay, students, here I have taught you about the interrogative sentence of narration. The interrogative sentence of narration have two types. A sentence which is begin with a helping verb will take if as a conjunction, and the sentence which is begin with WH word will also take the same WH word as a conjunction. Okay, students, in further class we will see about imperative sentences of narration. Thanks for listening me. Have a nice day.